Since we released the retirement staking plan, we've had several inquiries for the special factor staking system if we could make a spreadsheet for that, in that it was too complicated for the average person to use. Once I had a look at it, I didn't think it was too complicated. I thought it was very complicated, and especially if you had to start adding the commission fee structure from Betfair in it. So we got our Excel guru to make up a spreadsheet that would encompass all of what the special factor staking plan was, and also incorporate commissions if you were going to be using the betting exchanges. And this is the result that you're looking at now. We've made it very, very simple. I mean, we can't obviously tell you exactly how it works in intricacy because it's not our product to do that. But we have made the spreadsheet that does it all for you, and you don't really need to know exactly how it all works. All you need to know is some numbers to put in, and then let the spreadsheet do the hard work for you. So if we just see up the top here, initial bank, it's pretty straightforward. You put in how much you want to bet for this, how much of the bank you want for this session. The multiple factor is, if we consider 1 as being level staking, 2 is just up from level staking, 3 is a bit more aggressive, then that's the number you put in here, and we suggest you just put in 2. As this is a part recovery staking plan with built-in factors, this is where the danger point comes in. The danger point is if the next aim, that means the next target, is more than 1/3 in this case, because I've got a 3 in there. If I had 2, it would be if the next aim was half of the reserve bank, then the series resets, money gets transferred from the reserve bank, and we go again. So this is the hard part, but it's really easy in the spreadsheet. So we just recommend you use these settings to start with here. Commission, if you're on the exchanges, you put your commission rate. Otherwise, with the bookie, you just put 0. And then among the banks, how do you distribute the wins? The main bank and the reserve bank. So in the main bank, if you have 1 and 1, that means if you win £10, £5 will go into the basic bank, and the other £5 will go in the reserve bank. So if you chop those numbers around, you will see that more goes into one bank, less goes into the other bank. Okay, so that's what you set up to start with, and then you can start the betting. So if I just switch to another tab, we give you 5 tabs in the spreadsheet. So you can see here I've just popped in the odds for £4.50. These here you enter in, and after you put the odds in, you just look over to the stake column, and we see there 60p. And that is what you put on this horse. That's what the staking system is telling us to put in. So that's what you do. You put in the odds, look at the stake, make the bet, then you can fill this bit in afterwards if you want to. This fee, the commission, is automatic, but the result, you need to put in a W or an L once the result's known. If we just switch back, what else we have here in it is, here we have visual graphs, so you can see how your bets are going, the losing ones, the winning ones, the bank. But if we scroll down a little bit, we can see here, this is where the breach has got, the danger point's got too high, and money's being transferred from the reserve bank into the basic main bank, and our series is restarting here. So this is what has had to be a manual workout if you were just working on the PDF. Now with the Excel spreadsheet, it's all done automatically for you. Okay. And then there's summaries up here on how you're going, etc. Okay, so that's how the spreadsheet works. As I said, if we go down the bottom here, you've got 2 fractional odds spreadsheets. So if you use fractional odds, you can use these spreadsheets down here. Or you've got 3 decimal spreadsheets. So you can run 5 different series of bets with this one spreadsheet. If you've got good selections, whether you're following horses, footballs or dogs, then the special factor staking Excel spreadsheet could improve your returns and make it a lot easier to keep a track of your bets. So on behalf of Michael and myself, Steve, thanks for watching this, and we wish you all the best. Cheers.